the 27th. I hope you all had a good Christmas, nice and happy time. It was rather mild here. It's kind of unusual, isn't it? Now, just because it's Christmas, you may have noticed here, I fixed my hinge because lots of people were bitching on about fixing my hinge. And not only that, I washed the door down as well. That was a bit mucky, but I tell you something, half brighter in here now. So anyway, listen, this is about a video I did yesterday. But I haven't published it yet because I'm going to publish it on my private channel. And I'll put a link below if you're interested, because I was going to show you how to use my distilling tower, which I'd never used for 10 years. And I'll show you the sort of how it worked. It worked very well, by the way. But I don't want it to get it mixed up with all this stuff here because somebody will start bitching on. So anyway, I'll put a link below, have a look at it. I've got a lot more work to do. Like I say, I started to clean up this morning at about 11 o'clock and it doesn't look like I've done anything. So anyway, listen, just to say thanks for watching and stuff like this. It's only a quick video, but the link is below if you want to watch it. See ya.